Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing channel on YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the one and only Nvidia. I've been investing in this company for quite some time now. All the way back in March is really when I started heavily investing in Nvidia. Now, really, they're doing a lot of things that I find absolutely crazy. They have super high revenues. They're in one of the top growing sectors. They just announced and approved a stock split. The reason why they're doing this is for the employees and investors to be able to afford some shares. Look at this, $717 for a single share. Do you guys remember when Tesla did their stock split? Let's pull up their chart here, TSLA. You guys can see they did a 5-to-1 stock split, and really the whole 2 or 3 weeks leading up to that stock split, they had a huge bull rush, right? Everything was going phenomenal. And then once the stock split happened, it sold off a little bit and consolidated. Now, I think that Nvidia is going to have pretty much I would say the same thing here. Another company that did this is Apple, AAPL. You guys can see they did a 4-to-1 stock split. The weeks leading up to it, they had a huge bull rush. Once the split happened, sold off. Now, a split is really exciting because people and buyers love it because they can maximize their shares. But at the end of the day, it doesn't affect the company at all. It's still going to have the same market evaluation. It's still going to have the same balance sheet. The only thing they're doing is just making it more affordable for investors to invest. And I think that's amazing. I think that's awesome. But you have to understand that it doesn't change the company itself. So let's pull up Nvidia here again. I believe it's NVDA. And you guys will see the months leading up to this stock split. The stock split is rated to be at around July 20th, from what I tried researching here. So I think that, yes, we do have a little more room, probably the max being 750, if not 765, before we hit that split, and then we will probably have some sell-off, right? Nvidia, in my opinion, is a phenomenal company. It pays a solid dividend. It historically, over the past 5 years, they've outperformed all of the major indexes, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500, which is crazy. It's over the past 5 years, it's actually delivered a return of 1,400%. So if you've been investing in this thing for some time, you're probably up on your money. But they're going to be doing a 4-to-1 stock split. And I think that, like I said, I think that's amazing for the company. But like I said, it doesn't affect the company itself. Okay, so looking at Nvidia's revenue here, you guys can see that Nvidia is, it's set to record around 2.5 or 2.05 billion. And this is up on revenue around 79%, which is amazing. So if we just continue to scroll down, you guys can see that the company proposed a 4-to-1 stock split, making it more accessible for both investors and the employees. So the bottom line of Nvidia is a phenomenal company. They've made a ton of money off of the cryptocurrency market because Nvidia makes processor cards, they make computer parts, and with the overall growth of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, of how you mine Bitcoin, they've made a ton of money. And you guys can see the stock has really proven that, right? So I think that Nvidia, we're just getting started, and looking back, in the next 5, 10, 15 years, we're going to be wishing we would have bought more of this company. But at the end of the day, it doesn't affect the company itself, and I'm super excited to see where this company goes.